3. In this video, I'll show you how to create a retargeting campaign in Meta Ads. Start by signing into your Meta Ads Manager account and click the Create button to start a new campaign. Next, choose the campaign objective that best fits your goal, such as sales, leads, or traffic, then click Continue. After that, enter a name for your campaign and configure any campaign settings you want to use. Now move to the ad set level and set your budget and schedule. Next, scroll down to the Audience section and click Create New, then select Custom Audience. After that, choose your retargeting source. You can select Website to target website visitors, Customer List to target existing customers, or choose another source such as App Activity, Video Viewers, or Facebook and Instagram engagement. Now configure your audience. For example, if you're using website visitors, select the people who visited your website in the last 30 days or choose another time frame that matches your campaign goals. Next, choose your ad placements or leave Advantage Plus placements enabled so Meta can automatically optimize where your ads appear. After that, move to the ad level and create your advertisement by adding your images or videos, primary text, headline, description, and a call to action button. Now review your tracking settings and make sure your Meta pixel is selected so conversions can be measured correctly. Finally, click Publish to launch your retargeting campaign and start reaching people who have already interacted with your business. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a retargeting campaign in Meta Ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.